Come on, little birdie. Come on, little birdie. There you go, little bird. Little bird. Get your head out. Well, oh. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Come on. There you go. That's it. Off my fingers, because you'll wear it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And the kitties come to visit. She doesn't know. To catch a bird. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Just let her walk by. Okay. Hold on, let's stabilize here now. Go a little crackhead. Carry on. Open. Very good. Good boy. Get it down. How's your little crawl? Oh, yeah. Come on. Right. I see your eyes. You see its eyes? As poor as my eyesight is, I could see its eyes just now opening. Come on, you finished?